Welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Ains.
And I'm Lain.
And we're sisters.
There you go.
You're probably wondering why we have like two different things on our sides of our face. But if you want to find out, you have to keep watching.
Yeah, you should definitely watch to find out.
So we hope you enjoy this 3-part video. And if you do, please comment and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit the bell.
Also, we're going to be trying this 3-part thing, like Ainsley said. So if you guys like it, leave a comment down below. If you don't like it, tell us, hey, like, that's not a good idea. Go back to your old videos. And we'll do whatever you guys want. We're just making it shorter so you guys don't sit there for 20 minutes and you're like, oh my gosh, I just want to see the highlight. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and let's get started. So first we're going to start with our primer, and I will be using my normal Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot primer.
And I'm using the Milani Prime Light.
So, for our video today, we are going to be doing 2 different methods of applying foundation. Well, Ainsley's going to be doing that. And I am going to be applying 2 different foundations, one on this half and one on this half of my face. And we're going to see which one looks better.
I'm doing one side with my damp beauty blender and another side with my oval brush.
And I will be doing one side of my face with the new Tarte Shape Tape foundation and the other with my Too Faced Born This Way. I got the Tarte Shape Tape in the lightest, which is fair beige, and I have Born This Way in natural beige.
And I'm using my Sephora foundation. It's used, obviously. And it's in the shade Claire Light.
Alright, so I actually went to Ulta the other day, and my cosmetologist gave me a makeover. And
holy crap, that's huge.
I know, and she used the Tarte Shape Tape, and I absolutely loved it. It has a nice big doe foot on the end, which is really nice because when you have too much, you can just put it back in the bottle. It comes in hydrating and matte. I got the hydrating because I have very dry skin, so I figured that this one would be better. It wouldn't dry me out all the way. So I'm just going to apply it to this side.
So I'm going to use the Beauty Blender on the right side of my face, and then the other one on the left side of my face.
I know a lot of people complain that the Tarte Shape Tape isn't as good as the concealer, but like personally, I really like it. I just go back and forth between Born This Way and the Tarte, even though I just got the Tarte a few days ago. I love it. It works as a concealer as well, but obviously if you want to, you can use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. The Tarte foundation is a medium to full coverage depending on how you layer it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit more and add a little bit more.
This didn't even do anything.
What do you mean?
It didn't do anything.
Yeah, you can see it. Look, it's not blended. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on to get that nice full coverage up here. And then I'll do the same thing with Born This Way. And I also have my beauty blender a little bit damp because I just find that it helps. Oh, on the other side of my face, I will be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way.
And I'm using my oval brush.
So for those of you who don't know, Born This Way has a nice pump on the top, and it makes it very easy for applying. Where you just have to kind of guess how much you need. Usually I put about 5 dots on like that. That might be a lot though, since I'm just doing half of my face. What do you think? Which one do you like better?
The oval brush.
You do?
Yeah.
So honestly, the Born This Way is a little bit darker because it's on this side of the face, and you can tell it's just a little bit darker. But I would say they have the same coverage, to be honest. Like, I mean, my chin's a little broken out, and neither one of them covered it. So, and I mean, obviously I could do something to cover that, but
I like the oval brush better. I use the oval brush every day, and
so it's what you're used to.
yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool. So to finish this video off, we're going to go in with our concealer, and I will be doing my normal Too Faced Born This Way.
And I'm using my Maybelline Dream Illuminator Corrector Stick. So
Personally, I love this concealer. I know I talk about it a lot, but like, it is very, very good. It's very thin, but it has such a full coverage. I really like it. So we're just gonna...
I really like my concealer. I think that it feels good on my face and it has good coverage.
Yeah, okay, so there we have it. So this is our completed look for this video. We just did our primer, foundation, and concealer.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and like this video. All the rest in the past and coming up in this 3-part video that we're doing.
Yes, so we hope that you enjoy having us do 3 parts. If you don't, or if you do, either one, comment down below and let us know how you feel, and we'll do whatever you guys want. Bye!
Bye.